Greetings to my January workshop team. First off, my phone battery is running very low, so I'm going to get right with this here. I've made a visit to Hobby Lobby so that I can show you a very good knife selection as an alternative to the Liquitex knives that I've been telling you are available on Jerry's Artorama. I'm hearing from some of you that they actually have two of them that aren't available, and I have been trying to resolve that to no avail. So if you can make a trip to Hobby Lobby, you're going to see here a great set of knives that will be perfectly fine for the workshop. You can see the numbers here. These are Master's Touch, and this brand goes on sale every other week, 50% off. Another great thing about this is they all are full price, $3.99. So when they go 50% off, they're very, very affordable and they work very well. So, and I've placed them on a 16 by 20 inch canvas here so you can see just how big they are. And if you recall on the supply list, I want you to bring 16 by 20 inch canvases, at least 3 or 4 of them, because you'll need at least this size to kind of get a handle on how a big knife works and the things that you can do with it when you have a large surface. So I'm going to sign off for now. Again, this little knife right here actually comes inside of a little package, and it does not have a number on it, but this is one that you can also get through Jerry's Artorama, but it's cheaper here. This one here, the number 3, I have never used before, but it's interesting. This one here I've used and it's fantastic. And you're going to see that all of these actually have the neck here. This angle is perfect for how the knife gets placed on the surface of the canvas. See, now if it was less of an angle, you would have trouble dragging the knife across. This gives you a nice distance away from the surface so that you're not scraping your hands on it. This knife is one that I use all the time now. This is the number 13 Master's Touch. Again, quite an angle on the neck of it. And this one is a lot of fun too. So I hope this helps all of you, and I'm sorry for the confusion with Jerry's Artorama, and I don't want you to fret about it. And you can also order these supplies online at Hobby Lobby. So if you have any questions at all, please send them on over and we'll see if we can get it resolved. Okay team, can't wait to see you in a few weeks. Bye bye.